Hi, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments. You may have seen our layering die bundle. We get questions about how to use it and how is it different from our basic die bundle. So in this video, I will be answering these questions, plus I will be introducing the dies and giving you my tips. Be sure to stay through the end of the video to see a demo with the layering dies. The layering bundle comes with 5 sets. Each package shows the name of the set in the top right corner. You will also see a colored image of each die. Plus, at the very bottom, you can see a list of the exact measurements of each die in that set. This is set A from the basic die set. You can see it is a bold, bright color. If you have the USA bundle, the set would be silver. The basic set comes with dies that are measured to fit the grid, and they are necessary to make Mosaic Moments pages. The basic set also comes with its own layering dies. In contrast, layering set A is a pastel color. This set only comes with layering dies, so none of these dies are measured to fit the grid paper. All of these dies are designed to create layers for all of the dies in the basic set. To store your dies, we recommend using magnetic sheets. And for less confusion, you can put the layering dies from the basic bundle in between the dies in the layering bundle. So this way, the layering dies are separated from the dies that fit the grid. Alright, now that you have been introduced to the layering dies, I'm going to start my demo. So just now you viewed set B, and this is from the basic bundle. So the first several dies I'm showing are from the basic set, not the layering set. So just now I cut a mat for one of my photographs, and I'm going to do that again with this 2x3 die from set C. I'm going to be cutting these several times for some little photographs I have. And this is the 3x5 die from set B. And again, I'm going to cut a couple of mats with this die for 2 of my photographs. So remember to cut your mats first and then your photographs with the layering die. Just now I'm just cutting a couple strips from set B and set D. These are just be fillers for my page. So I will not be using the layering dies with these. These are just some fillers, some decorative photographs to add on to my page. So again, before you use the layering dies, make sure you cut all your mats with the dies in the basic bundle. You will need the basic bundle, whether that's the China set or the USA silver set. You can use either one of them to create these blocks that I am doing right now. And of course you will need to glue them down. I am using the Herma Dotto Repositionable glue, which is really handy if you need to change things around. So I have all my mats, and now I'm adding my decorative strips. Alright, so I'm going to compare between the layering die from the layering set, which I'm using that to cut this photograph now, but I'm also going to be cutting the same photograph with the die from the basic bundle. So the basic bundle has its own layering dies, which is what I'm showing here. So this is the layering die from the basic set, and as you can see, it has quite a bit of the mat showing around it. Now I'm going to show a photo cut from the die in the layering set. And as you see, the mat is not showing quite as much, but the photo is cropped bigger. So the nice thing about the layering set is it just gives you another crop option basically. In the basic bundle there are layering dies, but they do crop your photos down quite a bit, and sometimes it's nice because sometimes you do want them to be cropped bigger, especially if you have, subjects that are pretty tight in the photo. Alright, now that I'm using a layering die from set B, and we'll be cutting 2 more photos with these. So again, they're just the layering dies from the basic bundle and the layering bundle. It just gives you more options. Sometimes you may want to crop smaller, and sometimes you may want to crop your photos bigger. And I also will point out you do not need these layering dies in order to do the Mosaic Moments system. You can just have the basic bundle and do the system with that. But I know a lot of you want your photos to be cropped differently, because like I said, the other one, the basic bundle does crop pretty small. So I really like the layering dies because I do like my photos to be a little bit bigger on my page. So now it's really easy to just glue your photos down. And I think the white cardstock pops out pretty well, even though the photos are cropped a little bit bigger. So still has a nice clean look. So I'm just putting this one down and then the next one, and it's pretty easy to use the layering dies. Like I said, it's just another option. Now I'm going to show you a trick. So when I grab the layering die that fits the 4x6 mat, which I'm going to show you that now, I'm grabbing this die, and you'll see the photo, it's too small for this. Now you could stick the photo on the mat the way it is, or you can do this fun layering trick. So I grabbed the 2 next smallest dies, and I'm going to be cutting with those. So this is actually the largest layering die from the basic bundle. I know there's a lot of words there to remember, but I used that one to cut my cardstock, and now I'm using one of the dies from the layering set to cut my photograph. So use the bigger one for your cardstock and the smaller one for your photo. And now I'm going to glue down my cardstock and stick it on my pattern paper block here. We'll make sure it's centered. That's why that repositional tape is handy. And now I'm going to stick my photograph right on top. So what I like about having the layering dies is you have more options to layer. So what I like about doing it this way is you kind of get this neat frame look. It's great if you have pattern paper. The pattern paper can be in the back, and then you can cut the cardstock a little bit smaller with that layering die from the basic bundle, so you can see more of the pattern paper, and then your photograph can be cut with the layering bundle, because the layering bundle comes with dies that do fit with the layering bundles from the basic set, if that makes sense. If not, you can let me know in the comments below and I can try to explain it better. So what you need to know is the layering bundle allows you more options to crop your photographs and also gives you more layering fun options, which I did here to create my frame. I hope this video helped you understand the layering die bundle much better. And again, let me know if you have any questions or if there's something you wish was in the video that I did not cover. Anyway, I hope you have fun scrapbooking at home, and I'll see you next time.